Hello student, today I am teach to you standard 9th mathematics first, and in that first chapter is sets, and in sets we see today only some basic points. First one, set. What do you mean by set? Set is collection of well defined objects or members. Set is collection of well defined objects, or we call it as members. Okay, for example, set of even number, set of odd number, etc. Then how to represent particular set? Set is represented by capital alphabet. Representation of set. Set is represented by capital alphabets, as A, B, C up to Z, whichever you want that letter or alphabet you can use to represent set. Then elements or objects of particular set, how we represent? See, elements of a set are represented by small letter or small alphabets. Small alphabets as A, B, C up to Z. Small letter we have to use. Then if suppose A is a one set and small a is element of that particular set, then we write it as A belongs to set A. And if suppose B is a set and C is a element or object of that set, or if B is a set and C is not an element of that particular set, then we write it as C does not belongs to B. Okay, and we invert how it read: A belongs to set A, and if not belong to set particular set, then we read as A does not belong to particular set A, B, whatever. Then we see some general sets. We know that general set. Natural numbers. First I take set of natural number. What do you mean by natural number? Natural number starts from 1 to infinity. Okay, so n is equal to set of natural numbers, and that is n is equal to 1, 2 up to infinity. Okay, then next set W, set of whole number. And we know that whole number start from 0. So W is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to infinity. Then set of integer, we call it as I. Set of integer, and integer number we know that positive number, negative number and 0. So we write it as dash dash positive number, 0 negative number up to infinite. Then we can also represent set of rational number, set of real numbers. Then there are two methods of writing particular set. Methods of writing set are two. First one is listing method, or it also called roster method, and second one rule method, or it also called set builder form. Okay, in that first we see first one, that is listing method. Listing method simply listed. See, for example, set of even numbers between 1 to 10. Example, a set of even numbers between 1 to 10. For representing set we use any alphabet letter. Suppose I use B, and B is equal to set of even numbers between 1 to 10. Even numbers I know that 2, 4, 6, 8, between 1 to 10. Okay, in listing method we use curly brackets and every element is separated by colon. And suppose if some elements are repeated, then write only one time. See one another example. Example second, India. India is a word, and we write a set that a word contain India of that alphabets. See, I give name as C, and in India alphabets INDIA. Here I become repeated. Take only one time. So I write it as INDI, not write again and again, then A. Okay, this set need not be ordered as particular. We can write order or element however I want. See, if you write it is as N, I, A, D, then both method or both are correct. Understood? First method is listing method. Then we will learn second method. And second method is that rule method. Method, or we call it as set builder form. In this method, we assign some variable and give condition. Suppose I take one example. A set of odd numbers between 1 to 10. Then we write set as D, and D is equal to assign some variable X. I assign X variable, and X is an odd number where value of X between 1 to 10. So I write it as between less than x less than 10, or we can also write it as 1 is less than x. Okay, it is written in this way. Understood? Rule method. Okay, today we stop here. In the next video I will solve practice set 1.1. Thank you.